whether they suffered from physical injuries, psychological injuries, lost loved ones, or suffered financial loss. Victims may be allowed to participate in the proceedings at the STL, and they can present their views and concerns during trial proceedings. This is how it works. Once an indictment is confirmed, any victim who has suffered as a direct result of the attack mentioned in the indictment may apply to participate in the proceedings. The STL Victims Participation Unit informs victims of their rights and assists them in filling in their application forms, which will be submitted to the pre-trial judge. The pre-trial judge will review each application and decide whether to give permission for a victim to participate. All applications to participate will be kept confidential. A participating victim can also request that their identity is kept confidential or made public. The STL will assign the participating victims their own lawyer, referred to as the legal representative of victims. The STL covers the cost of legal representation for those participating victims who cannot afford it. Participating victims will likely be represented as groups by their legal representatives. The legal representative of victims will be present in the courtroom and will make sure the victims' voices and opinions on matters that affect their personal interests are heard during the trial. The trial chamber judges may permit the participating victims to attend hearings and sit in the courtroom, and may also invite them to tell their stories from their own perspective. The STL Victims and Witnesses Unit can provide measures to protect the victims if their participation creates a risk to their safety. It can also assist participating victims in obtaining medical and psychological support. If, at the end of trial, the accused is found guilty, the STL can provide a certified copy of the judgment to all victims, irrespective of whether they participated in the proceedings at the STL. Victims may use this document to seek compensation through national courts or other competent bodies. To learn more, go to the Victims tab on the STL website, www.stl-tsl.org. And this was Victims Participation at the STL Explained.